Welcome to this 2-bedroom, 1.5-bath townhome at 257 Aspen Court in Wantagh.
Hey everybody, it's Melanie and Jesse, Bonafideffe Homes and Estates. Welcome to our latest listing, Willow Woods, 257 Aspen Court. Come on in.
Come on in, join us. The moment you enter this beautiful unit, you will notice that the kitchen has been updated with new appliances, brand new granite top, and the entire first floor has brand new flooring. As you enter into the living area, you will notice there's a fireplace and sliding doors leading to the backyard. Make your way upstairs, you will notice the entire unit has been freshly painted. There's new carpeting up the staircase as well as in the 2 bedrooms. The full bathroom has been completely renovated and we're adding a brand new deck on the 2nd floor bedroom. The property is centrally located near many shops and restaurants, and it's only 5 blocks away from 135, which leads you to the Southern State, the Northern State, as well as the LIE.
Thank you so much for joining us at 257 Aspen Court in Willow Woods in Wantagh. We're having our open houses this weekend. This place is going to fly away. So definitely come to the open house.
That's
See
right.
you soon.
Don't miss the opportunity.